out for a nice walk this morning. It's nice and cold. I love this. It's 26 degrees, feeling like 15. So today our theme for jokes is nature. And some winter and Christmas kind of jokes. So, as I said, I love this weather. When it's really cold, it's great. I just gotta watch out for the people though, because they can be very cold and distant. And then, what happens when you combine eggs with Christmas? The Nutcracker. And what do you get when you combine a band with Christmas? The Grapes of Wreath. And as I was walking this morning, I was passing construction. But how do these construction workers get promoted? They build their way up. And then sometimes on a walk, there's ice on the ground. Looks like you got yourself in a slippery situation. And what do you get when you combine ice and the summer water parks? Slip and slide. Also, did you know what happens when you combine it, like when ice cream comes out of the sky and it's snowing really hard from McDonald's? What do you get? A McFlurry. Thank you all for listening to today's joke. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And please feel free to give me some ideas as far as audience-themed joke day on Monday. Thank you.